In just a few years, humans will return to the moon for the first time in over 50 years. But this time, we're not just visiting, but preparing for Mars. And NASA has discovered a deadly challenge that could make or break the entire mission. The lunar South Pole, our destination, is where shadows can stretch for miles and bright sunlight can blind you instantly. One wrong step in these conditions could be catastrophic. That's why NASA has built a secret facility in Alabama to simulate the moon's most dangerous lighting conditions. Today, we're taking you inside this incredible laboratory. Welcome to NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama. This is the flat floor facility, one of the world's largest, flattest, and most stable air-bearing floors. At 86 feet long and 44 feet wide, it's essentially a giant, inverted air hockey table. Everything here moves on an air cushion, eliminating friction. This allows NASA engineers to easily rearrange massive lunar lander mock-ups, surface structures, and rock formations to test different scenarios. But the magic happens when they turn on the lights. Using massive 12 kilowatt and 6 kilowatt lighting systems, they recreate the exact lighting conditions astronauts will face on the lunar South Pole. And the transformation is remarkable. What looks like a normal testing facility becomes an alien world of blinding light and impenetrable darkness. Test engineer Emma Janes explains the challenge. The sun is at a permanent low angle at the south pole of the moon, meaning astronauts will experience high contrast between lit and shadowed regions. Imagine trying to inspect a spacecraft when shadows behind a small rock can stretch for feet, while shadows behind a lunar lander extend for miles. The color white becomes blinding in direct sunlight. For Artemis III astronauts, this means they could be examining critical spacecraft systems while being blinded by reflected sunlight, then step into a shadow so dark they can't see their own hands. NASA calls this human-in-the-loop testing. The facility is large enough for people to walk around and experience these conditions with the naked eye, providing crucial insights that computer simulations simply can't match. Every detail matters. Large swaths of fabric cover the epoxy floor to replicate the reflective properties of lunar regolith, the fine dust that covers the moon's surface. The goal is to understand how these extreme shadows affect lander visual inspection and assessment efforts. Cross-agency teams evaluate various tools astronauts may use, ensuring they can work effectively in these challenging conditions. Data from this facility is improving the models Artemis astronauts will use in preparation for lander and surface operations. Every test brings us closer to ensuring mission success and astronaut safety. Artemis III will mark humanity's return to the moon after over 50 years. But this time, we're not just visiting for exploration, we're building the foundation for the first crewed missions to Mars. NASA is working with SpaceX to develop the Starship human landing system, combining cutting-edge technology with the invaluable insights gained from facilities like this one. Through careful preparation and innovative testing, NASA ensures that when we return to the moon, we'll be ready for whatever challenges await us, both there and on our journey to Mars.